guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day today. So I'm back with the Madam Glam Advent Calendar, and we are going to be unboxing the gift for December 8th, which I'm super excited for because the box is a lot bigger than the boxes we've been looking at for the last few days. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it as always. And these scissors do sure come in handy for long nails because otherwise there's no way I would be able to get them out with these long nails. But yeah, here is the box for December 8th. As you can see, it's pretty. It's like all gold holographic. And I'm like literally itching to open this. Actually only feels like there might be like one thing in there. I don't know. Let's try to guess what it is like when we were kids. Maybe it's a polygel. I'm thinking polygel. Let's see if I'm right. Ooh, and I just dug my nail into the box. Let's see. Yep, I was right. It is one polygel. Let me zoom you guys in here. So this is a polygel from Madam Glam in the color Vintage Orchid. Super cute. This is a 15 milliliter bottle. I'm curious to see what color this is. I think this might be like a nude shade, just by looking at like the swatch on the cover, which is really nice for like Christmas and fall and everything. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, it is definitely a brown shade. Hopefully my camera is focusing. It looks like a really pretty brown shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. All right, so I got my swatch stick ready and I'm gonna be using the polygel brush that we unboxed from Madam Glam to swatch this polygel. So let's go ahead and see what this color is looking like. I'm just gonna use some isopropyl alcohol as a slip solution. So yeah, that works just fine. If you don't have slip, you can always use 70 or 90% isopropyl alcohol. It's all the same, really. So yeah, let's go ahead and swatch this. So right off bat, I noticed this polygel is super soft, just like the clear, but it's not like really runny. It's like a little bit like firm at the same time. So it's like a really nice consistency. I don't see any bubbles yet. And you really don't need a lot of slip solution. I kind of made the mistake of using too much with the clear the last time, but yeah, you definitely don't. I just have a bad habit of like dipping my brush in the slip solution like obsessively. I don't know why I do that. I guess because like some polygels, you kind of have to do that, and I just kind of got in the habit of that. Because most of them are pretty firm and like sticky. So yeah, this is the color. I love this shade. It's just a really like perfect like nude brown. It's like not too dark and not too light. It's like right there in the middle. It really reminds me of fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure it and we'll see what it looks like when it comes out the lamp. Right, so this is what the color is looking like after it's cured in the lamp. It's super nice. It looks nice and smooth. I really love this polygel. This is only my second time trying Madam Glam's polygel, and it's actually really nice. I really like it. You guys should definitely check it out. So yeah, let's see what we have for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the 9th, so let me zoom you guys out again. Let's see. So this is the box for the 9th. I'm guessing that's a polish too. I've kind of gotten used to like guessing what each one of them is because some of these were already polishes. So yeah, I think this one might be a polish, but we never know, right? It's supposed to be a surprise. So yeah guys, that is about it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. As always, the links will be in the description box and my discount code as well. My discount code can only be used on non-sale items. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.